Welcome back to O's for Off-Road, my stripped out C5. Get a little update on what's going back in this giant hole here. Do a little unboxing today. I got this crate from Texas Speed and Performance with something to replace this LS6 that's only good at making glitter and metal pieces. So yeah, in this box is a nice little stroker engine at the LS3. So let's get to unboxing it. Let's see what they sent me. I haven't got to open it yet. I really want to open this thing up. I've been waiting for a while. So all right, I'm not going to go too far in depth in unboxing this thing because I'm going to leave it wrapped up until I'm ready to actually start putting parts on her. But this is the LS3 Gunslinger 416 cubic inch stroker from Texas Speed and Performance. It came with a cam and valve spring kit and the front timing chain set and everything, and then some braking oil, I guess. So if you're ever wondering what $8,300 at a race engine shop buys you, it's this and the box. Yeah, I'm pretty broke, but I'll put the specs up on the screen, and hopefully I'll have enough money to get heads, air intake, and all the other stuff I need for that to get it here in my my Corvette. So follow along. I'm going to be building this into a replacement engine. If I can find the money, I'm going to completely do everything new. If I can't find the money, then I've got my old heads, and or actually not my old air intake there, and my old heads on the LS6 that I can probably put on there and try to make it work. But this shit's expensive, and I'm not rich, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, check back for more updates. This is just a quick unboxing with the engine here from Texas Speed. Like I said, I'll put the actual details down below, the cam and all that kind of stuff. Basically, spec this thing out so I'll be able to run, I want to run pump gas, and I really didn't want a lot of power. This is way, way overkill for me. Texas Speed, this is easily, they said it's easily do 1,000 horsepower with this block, and they said they've seen people at 1,300 horsepower on the same block. Apparently this is the same block that Cletus runs in one of his cars and a couple other people. So can make a lot of horsepower, but I'm hoping, I really only want like 650, maybe 700 horsepower. They're saying with the setup that I have chosen with the heads and everything, that on pump gas this should be doing around 800-ish easy horsepower. And if I wanted to go like race fuel or something else, I can go much more than that, but I really just want to tune it down to like 650. That'll be plenty. I mean, honestly, I've been winning races with 400 or 380 horsepower, so at 600, this is going to be a beast. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. That's the plan, and check on back and see how things are going. Right now, I'm getting ready to take my torque tube out of the car because I got a whole bunch of torque tube parts to upgrade my torque tube, because obviously if I'm putting an extra like 400 horsepower in the front of this thing, the rest of the car needs to be able to take it. I got a brand new or not a brand new, I guess it's a 1-year-old transmission from RKT Performance, I think that's her name. And then SOC rear diff. But anyway, I'm gonna upgrade the torque tube. Right now I've been literally gutting the car. You can see that there's nothing in here anymore. Trying to take out as much weight as I possibly can. My rules say that I have to have a dash, but it doesn't say anything about anything under the dash, as long as it looks stock. So the dash is going to be stripped and there's nothing else underneath it. And then I'm going to be cutting out a whole bunch of this, so that way it's easier to work on the engine in here in between things. And obviously I'm gutting a lot of stuff in here. Once I have all that weight out of there, then I can add the weight back where I want it. Because in my class cam, you have to be 3,080 pounds, which I was right at before, and I've already stripped out about 200 and something pounds. So this, by stripping even more out, I can put the weight where I want it. Anyway, that's the plan for the car. This is the makings of an LS3 stroker, and soon to be an incredible amount of horsepower in a car. I should have it weighing around 2,500 pounds. And then when I go to race with SCCA, I'll be putting extra weight in it to ballast it up to around 3,000 pounds. But yeah, the car without everything is probably going to be 2,500 pounds or so. That's what I'm shooting for. I could probably go lower after I start taking out some of these panels and putting carbon fiber. But anyway, I'm rambling. Thanks for watching the video. Check back for some awesome, you know, soon to be awesome engine footage with this guy here. Thanks for watching.